Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're in Gloucester at Forge Motorsport for my friend Meg's birthday. You might recognise that as DrivenByMeg on Instagram and YouTube. She had an exceptional year last year on YouTube and Instagram and could be more proud of her. And yeah, we're here for her 20th birthday.
I'm just a baby.
Makes me feel so old. I'm 29 this year and my friend's just turning 20, so yeah, it makes me feel really old. We're also here with the guys from Carburettor Coffee, so you know the coffee is just going to be spot on. Happy birthday, Meg. I hope you have a fantastic meet. And yeah, let's go take a look while we're being blinded by the sun. I think if I brought this home for my son, he'd absolutely love this. We have a Cooper S prototype vehicle, judging by the number plate and the plate holder. It's got a Miltech exhaust system. And then over here we've got a 911 Carrera GTS, just missing some taillights, nothing major. Also running Miltech exhaust. Big up Bevo, you know the rules. This has to be the first Ford Probe that I've seen in at least 4 or 5 years. A car you don't see many of anymore. Black beauty on the number plate. What a beautiful 1970 Chevy Camaro One of my dad's best friends growing up used to have one of these. Absolute beast. Just come around the back, got the Hercules tyres. Love the blue colour on it as well. Badass edition. Baby shark do 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 do. So this Toyota belonged to a good friend, Luke. We did a cruise for him last year alongside the MX-5. His mum's brought the car down for us today, and yeah, it's beautiful to see it out in the sun, and a very fitting tribute to Luke. Something you don't see every day, similar to GTE, with these stunning wheels. They remind me a bit of a General Lee, with the side pipes and the very old school Santa pod sticker. Yes. We made the convoy over to Gloucester services. If you haven't already been to Gloucester services, I would recommend it, but take out a loan before you do, because £5 for a pie is just crazy money, and they don't even sell energy drinks. But yeah, all the cars are looking a tad bit more filthier than they did earlier, but we've all made it. We've lost them across the way. They've made their own way home, and then the convoy is going to continue on to Cafe in the Machine. We won't be joining them because we've got another early start tomorrow with some Hellcats, but more on that to come tomorrow. But yeah, here's one last look at the lineup, and yeah, we've got the golden sunset coming out for us, and yeah, they're all looking a bit more filthier than they did first thing this morning. Here's Meg's Mazda MX-5. You might have seen it a few months ago. It was in a bit more worse shape. It had just crashed, but it's being lovingly restored. So if you want to go see more on that, I recommend going to follow DrivenByMeg. And yeah, gotta love that Camaro as well. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Meg, I hope you have a fantastic birthday, and I will catch you all in the next one.